Hello everyone, my name is Scott. Today we're showing you a VEVOR's pop-up canopy tent. So this is what it looks like. You got your metal frame here. You have your stakes. They also do give you your cover and also a carrying bag when you want to collapse it and store it. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up.
This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Alright guys, so it looked harder than it actually is just because I have limited space. I should have probably set it up down in our backyard. It would have been easier for you guys and for me to set up, but we zoom out over here. So basically you just pull everything apart and then you extend the leg up and it makes it easier. You can extend the legs up first after you get your canopy put on. Now of course we have to strap it down and all that fun stuff and align it better because it's not exactly in the center, but you guys get the idea. So it's nice, it's easy to put on. If I wasn't recording and I did this in an open space, it would take me 5 minutes, if that. And to take it down is going to be just as simple. It's not going to be hard. But yeah, it's very nice, guys. Great for outdoor events and anything that you have planned. So whatever you guys are planning, it's going to work good.